Have you ever felt uncomfortable at a hotel or somewhere that you're staying at, or maybe even in your own house? Maybe you're in a duplex or an apartment, something like that, and you just want to make sure there's not some creep watching you or putting cameras somewhere. That's a really, really scary thought, but I was just scrolling through a bunch of different apps, and I always like to try different things, and I ran across this. There's no reason at all why I downloaded it, just kind of messing around with different stuff. But this app works excellent. And it's called the Wireless Device Detector. And that is found on the App Store for iOS devices only. And so you can click on this, it will scan the devices on that network that you're on, and will be able to tell you if there's a camera or something. So let's go ahead and go into this app and I'll show you exactly what I mean. So I've already done a scan prior to this, and you can see we have searched 10 devices. So that means there's currently 10 devices on my network. And so I plugged in one of my Wi-Fi cameras just to make sure that it actually works. And so we're gonna click on Deep Scan Camera.
I love that blackout bingo.
And we're gonna get a stupid video. What's up, Snoop Dogg? Okay, so you can see in the upper right-hand corner, it says camera 1, and that's got a little warning symbol. We click on that, we get another annoying video. Let's click past that. And you can see down here at the bottom, maybe a camera. And that's it, guys. Just kind of wanted to show that to you. I thought it was pretty neat, so hey, what the heck, right? All right, guys, thanks for watching. I'll catch you on the next one.